first, do you guys remember when Professor Bonin talked last week about loading our autoclaves? How many of these big cassettes can we put in there?
So
4.
4 on it.
Right, and if you forget, some huge stickers right here in the front, okay? So, usually a good idea when you guys are assistants is when you come in to sterile, if these are all flipped towards clean, it's a good idea to unload these first, okay? That way you're getting all of the clean stuff out of the way, and then everything's ready to load dirty instead of starting with the dirty stuff here, and then when I get here, I can't do anything, right? So, let me show you this process first, and then I'll get one of these ready for us. So, I've got instruments here. I've got the initials for the student. Then I'm going to take the date stamp, which is over here, and I'm just going to check and make sure it's got today's date on it. For the date that it's going through, we never stamp these instruments with the date until you're actually going to be putting it in an autoclave, because this lets us know what load they went through on, right? So you can see our units have a label at the top left corner of all of them. So the things that we want to be put onto this piece of tape is the student initials, the date that it's going through the autoclave, and then I'm gonna write down what unit I'm putting it in. Okay, so let's just say I'm doing number 11. So I'm just gonna put an 11 right there. Okay. Please hold for a second, because someone did instruments today, and so things are out of whack. Okay, even though this says clean, I just never touch anything in sterile barehanded, period.